Hello everyone, I hope you are all having a great time. Today I will be reviewing another expert advisor. It is called Friday Pro MT4. Now since yesterday 24th of November, I believe it was Black Friday. So in this occasion I will review Friday Pro MT4. That's not relevant, but I thought it will be cool. So I am reviewing Friday Pro in Saturday. It should have been yesterday, but I have been kind of busy. Now this EA is breakout strategy pending system. So what that means, it will use pending system for example, if we have buy and we have stop loss, take profit, the EA will open several trade on two pairs, and whenever the price hit the point that the buy position is there, it will be activated. Whether it go to take profit or stop loss, that is a different story. But this EA is working on two pairs, Great British Pound, USD GPY, and time frame is 1 minute only. It is very important for this EA you use ECN account. Fusion is always my favorite one since the day one. I'm not gonna change it anytime soon. So I recommend you use Fusion or IC Market, whatever you see it suitable. And this EA does not use any martingale or any grade, any classical trading method. So that is very important. Each trade has a stop loss and take profit. Minimum deposit 200. This is good for smaller account and it can grow it at least. So for this EA I try to do a back test, but it required some accurate data to get the back test now, so I will not make a back test. Instead I will only test it on live account. And so what that mean I will put this in demo account for some time and see if the EA is working. I will share the result with you in my Telegram channel, and then I will turn it or use it in my live account. So since yesterday was Black Friday, that means today is also kind of Black Friday. So you gonna have a discount code for Black Friday 5 to get 13% from any product you choose. And what that means, it will be only last for next 24 hours since the release of this video. It will be valid and then you can use it anytime you want, but only for 24 hours. So what this EA is doing, if we go to overview, you can see it is ultimate expert that empower you to unlock the weekend market. So what that means, it usually will trade on weekend market, and it will be break free from traditional method like risky, martingale, scalp, or minimal gain, whatever. So it is new approach that orienting from the wisdom of an institutional floor trader, whatever that means. So it means it is a good EA because we have some proof to back his word, which is live account, and then we will analyze to see whether this EA is worth it or not. So we have some futures here you can use hand-free. Of course every EA is hand-free, you just let the EA, it will do for you. And no grid, no martingale, this is very important. Precise and reliability, we hope that is true. Backed by professional, that is something we have to judge later. Now for this EA, it only work on two pair, Great British Pound, USD GPY, and you can see the stop loss is equal to take profit for this pair, but for Great British Pound the stop loss is 19 pip and take profit is 160. So that makes sense if this EA work in the long term. You can use fixed or dynamic percentage. Yes, it is quite amazing. It requires to operate on 1 minute time frame, so it trade only one time per week. So this EA, if you are impatient or you are a scalper guy, you want faster result, I'm afraid this EA is not gonna be suitable for you guys, sorry. But if you're a patient guy, you wanna see the long-term result, an EA that actually works, then this will be good for you. Now you can see some positive review from this EA, highly recommended. And this creator, we have some set file, you can download downloaded the latest one, so for risk management and for each one. So you can, I will also of course provide this set file with the EA. The price is good, not bad, 280, that's fair price. We are selling it for 35 to 14 US dollar, if I'm not mistaken. And live results. So the first thing we notice that this EA using IC Market live server, which is good indicator. The profit trade is better than losing trade, another key important, and the drawdown is only 12%. But if you look at the deposit, he is only using on 100 USD, which is good. But if he uses 500 USD, the drawdown could be 5 or less. So that have to be taken into consideration. And if you go back to the thing we have, the average holding time, that is kind of problematic, because if it is breakout, it should be like at least close it in a fast manner, not waiting for 10 days. So that is a bit of disadvantage we have, waiting for 10 days. So that means the EA might keep, I don't know why this measurement is 10 days, doesn't make any sense. If you go back to the result, you can see for this year it made incredible result, 205%, almost doubling his account. For August, the best performance was 87%, September 13, 17, today is 5 for November, and with December, of course, we have to be careful at the Christmas and everything else. So other than that, it is quite impressive. Now for the drawdown, you can see we have some peak of drawdown, and what that indicate, the EA sometime maybe it is getting take profit and stop loss, because if this green line was like that, then we will know the EA is keeping trade open forever. But it uses stop loss. However, we don't know why this appearing. We need to test it on live to see how the EA is performing. Now for the trading history, you can see the price from all the trade, take profit, and all of this is incredible result. However, you can see it takes I think this is the same day, maybe, yeah, maybe in week you can have 1 to 2 trade per week, so you have to be careful with that. So for August, you can see he only had 1 to maybe 7 trades, but the results were absolutely incredible. So let us see what we have. Yes, we have stop loss as well. So the only thing, I think the reason why this happened, now I understand. Let me go back there. The reason why this happened is because he doesn't let the trade open, but perhaps it is weekend, maybe it open on Friday and then it will close it on Wednesday or Thursday. So that's how you will have a longer average time. So maybe that is the reason behind this average time, because we do have a stop loss, if you can see, and the stop loss take profit is fixed, so you don't like wait forever. It is either gonna be take profit or stop loss. So for the statistic, we only have 13 to trade, which is not that much to judge this EA. The average profit is better than average loss. The accuracy is better, so we have 2 advantage. 1 is the accuracy, 2 is risk to reward ratio. The only disadvantage here is average holding time. To be honest, if this is fixed, it will be great, and you can expect to have 38% monthly growth, so that is quite impressive, guys. We will see if that is true or not. So let us go back to the description. It is the same, we don't have any reviews. So let us go back to our live or our testing method. So for this EA that we have is fixed. You do not need any DLL. You're just going to you just attach the EA into the chart, and the magic happen. You don't need any DLL. So here you can get load the set file. You can change comment. You can change magic number. So I think if this EA is worked for the long term, maybe it can be used for live probes account, especially these probes that do not have any time limit. That is will be one possibility to use this EA if you use low risk size. So you can see for this one we have 5%. I'm gonna use it in default and let everything just go. It's 500 USD demo. However, you know me, I always am transparent, and I put myself into the risk for you guys. So what I will do, if this works for at least 1 month, I will share the result with you directly in the comment or in my Telegram channel. However, to use use a live account, I will need 1 month on Fusion Broker. If it worked, I will put 1000 US dollar into the live and will share with you if this is worth it or not. So my conclusion for this EA, to be honest, we have some pro and some cons as usually. So the advantage, we have live result, amazing monthly growth, no martingale, great or risky size, good accuracy. However, on the disadvantage, we have long average holding time, and this could be a bit problematic, and of course we need more live data. So for this EI, I will be fair and I will give it 4.5 star. I think that is the accurate and adequate rating for this system. I hope this EI is working. I know many guys in 2023 we have been struggle with trading, and it was not the best year for Forex, to be honest. I will make a yearly review to what we can do, what the EA I recommend, how to recover, because I personally did not make that much money from 2023 as in comparing to 2022 or 2021. So let us hope that 2024 would be nice to Forex and it will be friendly to us, and let us hope the best of luck. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like my video. Support mean a lot to me, and thank you for watching.